Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Food and Healthy Food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today, we are going to make mutton or goat cooker dum biryani. I will show you how easy it is. Let's see the ingredients. 1.5 cup of long grain basmati rice. Soak basmati rice in water for 45 minutes. 1 tablespoon of salt or adjust as per your taste. 1 tablespoon of chili powder or you can add extra as per your spicy levels. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3/4 of a tablespoon of garam masala powder. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of curd. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 275 grams of goat or mutton. 2 to 4 green chilies and crush them. If you add extra green chilies, make sure you don't add extra chili powder, otherwise it becomes spicy. Half cup of pudina or mint leaves. Half cup of kothimeera or cilantro. 1 cup of fried onions. Now add all ingredients one by one and mix them well. Add only 3/4 cup of fried onions and remaining we will use it later on the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now, add 4 to 5 pieces of Elachi or Cardamom, 4 to 5 pieces of cloves, 2 to 3 of bay leaves, half a tablespoon of Shahi jeera or black cumin seeds, 2 medium-sized cinnamon sticks, and then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Stir it. Add few drops of lemon juice. You won't even notice the taste of the lemon juice. You'll end up with clump-less rice that's still fluffy and easy to portion out and serve. Take medium-sized pressure cooker and add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Add marinated goat or mutton into pressure cooker. Check if rice is cooked for 70% and then slowly transfer rice into pressure cooker. few tablespoons of ghee. Soak saffron in 3 tablespoons hot water for 5 minutes and pour on top of rice. This will open up the flavor of the spice. Finally, add leftover onions on rice. Wow, it looks really great. Now, on high flame, put the pressure cooker on iron tawa, pan or griddle and cook for 5 minutes. After that, switch to low flame and cook for 1 hour 20 minutes. After 1 hour 20 minutes, open whistle slowly and open the cooker lid. Check if the mutton or goat is cooked well, otherwise cook for few minutes more. If you see this, mutton or goat biryani is cooked perfectly. Now, switch off the flame, close the lid and wait for 30 minutes. Serve and enjoy your mutton or goat dum biryani. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another interesting videos. Until then, stay safe.